Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. Join me today while I make our version of chicken curry. This may be the easiest recipe that I make. Usually I put it in a crock pot and put it on for the whole day on low. I didn't get around to it in time today, so I just put it in my pot and I'm gonna let it simmer for it'll probably take well over an hour just to finish the chicken, so maybe an hour and a half when it's all said and done. To begin with, I took 3 frozen chicken breasts, put them in my pot. I added a can of coconut milk and 2 cans of diced tomatoes. You can also use the large can of regular diced or crushed tomatoes, but I kind of like the green chili added. But anyway, 2 cans of that. And you do not need this. You can use any kind of curry powder, but this is a little packet and it's smushy on the inside. It comes sealed with a whole bunch of spices in it. My husband gets it from the Indian store. Anyway, it's super yummy, and I added a whole packet of this. So I took all of those items and put them in this pot. Brought it to a boil. I've just turned it down. I'm going to keep it covered and kind of let it simmer for probably an hour until the chicken is done. Once the chicken is done, it's reached 160 degrees, I will turn everything off and shred the chicken. If only you could smell it. I cut up the chicken just so it'd cook a little easier. I do not think it's done. I'm going to give it probably another 15 or 20 minutes, and then I will add the bag of vegetables. In about 15, maybe 20 minutes before I'm going to serve it, I'm going to pour in this whole entire bag of frozen vegetables. You can use any kind of frozen vegetables your family enjoys. I have removed the chicken from the sauce, and now I'm going to add a bag of frozen vegetables. Let that cook up a little while I do the shredded chicken. We don't like them mushy. I like them, of course, soft, but not complete mush, just with a little bit of a bite to them. So that takes probably 15-ish minutes, maybe 20 minutes. I'm going to shred my chicken. My frozen vegetables have been added and my shredded chicken. Now to let it cook probably 10 or 15 minutes, I don't know, until the vegetables are done the way we like them. I did turn the heat up so that the vegetables can cook a little bit faster, not just a simmer. I forgot to add, but I added a little pinch of my husband's ghost pepper dust. We love naan bread, and especially the garlic naan bread. So I'm gonna serve this. I'll pop this in the oven for maybe, I don't remember what it says, maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and serve that with our curry chicken. Okay, my chicken curry is done. I've turned it off. I'm gonna just let it sit on the stove for a little while my husband cuts the grass. And I'm actually going to pop the naan bread into the toaster. It works out so cool. I totally forgot about that, and he reminded me. Usually I'll chop up some cilantro and sprinkle it on top as a garnish right before serving, but today we don't have any cilantro, so we'll just make do without it. Shucks. It's almost like a soup. I always tell my husband, I feel like it's curry soup. We love to dip the naan bread in it. It's so good for a winter day. It's not a winter day today, but we haven't had it in a while, and he was requesting it. But usually I make it on a snow day. And to be completely honest, if it sits a little bit, maybe 10 minutes after it's done cooking, I think it's just that much better. Except for the naan bread, this is a low-carb dish. This garlic naan bread is a great companion for this curry dish. It's perfect for mopping up all that spicy sauce. carb dish. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.